eyes are not deceiving you. I bought another pair of the B1s. Only because I'm doing this 2-channel thing, as most of you guys know, I'm doing this 2-channel thing. I bought the Mikas. They were sounding good and everything, but I felt like something was missing. Honestly, I felt like something was missing. I don't know, if I don't have the ribbon. I'm so used to, my ears are so used to being surrounded by ribbon tweeters. So I just had to get another ribbon tweeter. I looked around for other companies that had ribbon tweeters, but the look and the design just didn't fit inside what I have going on in here. So I opted out for another B1 pluses. Why not the B2 pluses? Because they're more of people who's really into 2-channel listening, and that's not really me. So stick with what I know, and that's the B1 pluses. So let's go ahead and open it. It's deja vu because I did this 2 years ago when I had these as my wides on some stands, and it didn't fit right. I'm a tower guy. I like towers. So when I had these on stands, it just didn't look right. So that's when I sold them and got some T0s. Sold the T0s because there was too skinny. Come to think about it, I should have bought the 2.0s instead of the B1s, but I don't think I have space for any more towers in here. So B1 it is. Throw them on the bookshelf and call it a day. So let's open the boxes.